Yes. 1 minute. How to add elements into the frozen set? You cannot add it here. It is not mutable, right? If you want to add elements into the frozen set, if you want to add the elements into the frozen set, convert frozen set into what? Set. Convert frozen set into what? Set. Convert frozen set into what? Set. If you want to add it, you cannot add it directly. Okay, now you cannot add the elements directly. You have to convert frozen set into what? Set. Okay. Yes. Okay, right. So once this is done, now I say now what is the need of this frozen set is if you want to represent sets of sets. Okay, right. So I try to create a set and inside this set, I want to represent two frozen sets. So here I created a set and inside this set, I want to represent how many frozen set? Two frozen sets. Then can I add directly frozen set 2 and frozen set 3? Can I add directly frozen set 2 and frozen set 3? Yes. I can add directly frozen set 2 and frozen set what? 3. Can I add two sets inside the set? This is set, right? And inside this set, I added how many frozen sets here? Two frozen sets. That is frozen set 2 and one more is what? Frozen set 3. One is frozen set 2 and one more is a frozen set 3. But see here frozen set 2 and frozen set 3. But is it frozen set 2 and frozen set 3 is having same elements or different elements? Same elements. But how many times it is added this frozen set? Only one time. Because is a set allows duplicates are not allowed? Not allowed. Okay, set allows duplicates are not allowed? Not allowed. Can I add two frozen sets with the same elements? No. I cannot add two frozen sets with what? Same elements. I cannot add two frozen sets with what? Same elements. I cannot add it. If I'm trying to add it, it will add how many times? Only one time. If I'm trying to add it, it will add it how many times? Only one time. It will not add more than one time. It will add how many times? Only one time. Getting on it? Okay. Yes. But I can write directly like this also. Set it to within curly braces. I can write frozen set with what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then again one more frozen set. Another frozen set with some 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Now this is a set, and within this set, you are trying to create how many frozen sets here? Two frozen sets. But is it that is what parenthesis somewhere here? Here parenthesis is one. Here you have to write one parenthesis. Comma. Here also you have to write some frozen set. This is correct only, right? And first one missing parenthesis. Okay. Then close the curly brace here. Then this is what here? Set 2. So these frozen set 1 and this is a frozen set 2, right? So sets of sets is called as which one? Frozen set. Sets of sets is called as a frozen set. Okay, now, right. So this one also. Okay. Okay, right. Now the question comes here is, this is very important questions here. What is the difference between list and one more is what? Set. What is the difference between the list and what is that? Set. What is the difference between the list and set? What is the difference between the list and set? What is the difference between the list and set? So what is the difference here? What is the difference here? What is the difference between the list and set? So first difference is, so I just created one table here. You have to tell what are the differences are there. I'll write it. You tell me the differences, I'll write it. Tell me the differences. What is the first difference here? Tell me here. Yes. Tell me. Somebody is saying, right? List is a, don't say mutable, immutable, okay? Both are mutable only. ఏది ఎప్పుడు అదే ఒకటే వస్తుందా? మ్యూటబుల్ ఇమ్యూటబుల్ కాదు, రెండు మ్యూటబులే. చక్కగా చూడలే నువ్వు. Sure, list is a list is what? Which अरे एक बोलो यार, फर्स्ट अच्छा बोलना है यार, रैंडम नहीं बोलना. इंटरव्यू में कैसे बोलते हैं, ऐसे हवा में बोल देते हैं क्या? Data types are how many? 2, right? Collections are classified. Sequence type, non-sequence type, ordered, unordered. ऐसा बोलना यार. So list is a sequence type, or it is called which one? Ordered collection. Ordered collection. And set is what? Non-sequence type. Non-sequence type. or it is what? Unordered collection. Unordered collection. इसका मतलब क्या है? सीक्वेंस ऑर्डर्ड बोले तो ordered means what? Ordered means organized. List elements are organized. List elements are items. List elements or items are organized. Organized in which order here? Sequential order. Yes or no? Set elements are set organized. Set organized elements. Set organized elements using which data structure? Hashing data structure. Hashing data structure. Insertion order is not preserved, right? Okay. Insertion order is not preserved. Okay, now list elements or items are organized in sequential order. Yes. Some people are saying some answers. List is variable in size, but set is in fixed size. Who said? Did I say that all collections are dynamic in size here? Okay. List allows the duplicates. List allows what here? Duplicates. But set doesn't allows. Set doesn't allow what here? Duplicates. List allows duplicates, but set doesn't allow what here? Duplicates. Duplicates elements are not allowed. Duplicate elements are not allowed. Duplicate elements are not allowed. List is a list support. List support which one? Indexing and slicing. Set doesn't allow. Set doesn't allow what? Indexing and slicing. Okay. So list is created. List is created using what is that? Square brackets. And set is created using which one? Curly braces. Okay. So list class or data type represents which object here? List object. And set class or data type represents which object? Set object. List class or data type represents list object, and set class and data type represents which one? Yes. Within list we can add any type of objects. Within list we can add any type of which one? Object. But within set we can add which objects? Only which objects? Hashable objects. Within set you can add only which objects? Hashable objects. Yes, hashable objects. So list contain mutable objects, immutable objects. See here, list contain mutable and immutable objects, but set contain only which objects? Immutable objects. Within set you can add only which objects? Immutable objects, because immutable objects are what? Hashables. Because immutable objects are what here? Hashables, right? So in application development, you want to create a list where you want to store all the values where duplicates are allowed, then go for which one? List. And if you want to read the data in sequential as well as what? Random, then go for which one? List. If you don't want the data to be in sequential, and if you don't want the duplicate to be allowed, then go for which one? Set. And if you want to perform some mathematical set operations, even you can go for which one? Sets, right? So this is where you find the difference between the list and what? Set. So list is a sequence type or ordered collection, and set is a non-sequence type or unordered collection. List elements or items are organized in which order? Sequential order. And set elements are organized in already I've written that. So list is represented using square brackets, and this is represented using which one? Curly braces, right? Okay, right, fine. So these are the differences between the list and what is that? Set. Then next one is you have another collection which is called as a, what is that collection here? Mapping. So this is a new chapter, right? So tomorrow we'll start working with another collection called which one? Mappings. Mappings also called as which one? Dictionaries. Mapping is also called which one? Dictionary, right? So it means you have an index base and you have a non-index base, and you also have which one? Key base. If you attend any interview, they'll ask you this: list, set, and one more is what? Dictionary. So these three data structures are very important, because any interview or any what is that Python technology you learn, these data structures are very important. Okay. So just try to refresh all the things what you have done in the list and set, so that tomorrow we'll start working with which one? Dictionaries, right? So today we'll stop it here and tomorrow we'll continue with what? Dictionaries, right? Thank you.